How to do the gender swap trend on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video, I'll show you how you can do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. So first of all, you will need a photo with you or with a celebrity or who you want to do this trend with. I will choose Selena Gomez, and from here we will have to go to Face app. So you can go to Play Store, search for Face app, and you have to download this application right here. After that, click on Open. Choose your desired photo from your gallery. Then we will have to scroll to swipe from the bottom of the screen until we find gender. Click on gender. Then you have to click on male or male to. I will click on male, and here is how it looks like, and here it is how it looks like with male to. You have to choose one of these options. I will go with male to. Now you have to click on the save button from the right top corner, which is here, and it will get you to your gallery. After that, you will need the CapCut app, so make sure to download that app as well. And I will put the link that you have to use for this trend in the description box below, so make sure to check on that so you can have access to this template. So once you've clicked the link in the description box below, you will get to this page right here, and from here you will have to click on Use Template in CapCut from the bottom of the screen. Then click again on Use Template from the right bottom corner. Choose your photos with the before and after, and then click on Preview. So here it is, how it looks like. If you like it, then you have to click on Export from the right top corner. You can export it without watermark, or you can export it with watermark. And it will get you to TikTok automatically. From here, you just have to click on Next. Of course, you can add a sound, some hashtags, and click on the Post button. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel, and comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.